At a garage sale.
Hi there. Looking for anything specific?
No, just looking. What is this event?
It's a garage sale. Everything must go.
Garage sale. You sell things from home.
Exactly. Old stuff we don't need anymore.
Interesting. Like a shop, but at your house.
Exactly. Best description ever.
How much is this lamp?
$5. It works perfectly.
And this? What is this thing?
That's a waffle maker for breakfast waffles.
You cook waffles at home?
Every Sunday morning.
How much for waffle maker?
$10. Barely used.
Barely used means almost new?
Yes, used maybe 3 or 4 times.
$8?
You're bargaining at my garage sale.
Sorry, is that rude here?
No, it's totally normal. 8 it is.
Really? Thank you, Diane.
I'll throw in the lamp for free.
I did not expect that at all.
Going to the emergency room for the first time.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, I need a doctor.
Okay. What's the problem today?
My stomach, it hurts very bad.
How long has it been hurting?
Since maybe this morning, I think.
Is the pain sharp or dull?
Sorry, sharp? What is sharp?
Sharp, like a knife. Dull means heavy, pressing.
Oh, like a knife. Yes, sharp.
Good. I'll note that down. Any fever?
Fever, I don't know. Maybe.
That's fine. We'll check your temperature.
Is it serious? Am I okay?
We don't know yet. That's why we're here.
Okay, thank you. Sorry for my English.
Don't apologize. You're doing great.
Do I wait here or go somewhere?
Fill in this form first, please.
Form? What do I write here?
Your name, address, and date of birth.
Date of birth. My birthday, yes?
Exactly. Day, month, and year.
Okay, I can do that. Thank you.
After that, take a seat. We'll call you.
Call my name? How do you say it?
I'll try my best, I promise.
Okay, thank you, really.
Returning a broken item at a store.
Hey, welcome to Tech Zone. What can I do for you?
Hi, I want to return this.
Sure. What's wrong with it?
The screen, it is broken. Look,
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's cracked.
I didn't drop it. It just happened.
When did you buy this?
Last week. Maybe 5 days ago?
Do you have the receipt?
Receipt. Is that the paper? The bill?
Yes, exactly. The paper from the purchase.
Oh, yes, I have it. Here.
Great. Let me check the date. One moment.
Can I get a new one? Or money back?
You can exchange it or get a refund.
Exchange. What does that mean?
We give you a new one, same model.
I think I want money back.
Okay. Cash or back to your card.
My card. Yes, that is better.
Takes 3 to 5 business days.
3 days? Not today?
Sorry, that's just how refunds work.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
No problem. Here's your confirmation slip.
Confirmation slip? What do I do with it?
Keep it, just in case there's a problem.
Okay, good. Thank you very much.
Asking for help at the airport.
Excuse me, sir. You look worried. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I need help. I think I missed my flight.
All right. Take a breath. What flight were you on?
It is BA 209. Going to London.
Okay, let me check that for you. One moment.
Is it gone? Did it already leave?
Yes, I'm afraid it departed about 20 minutes ago.
Oh no. What should I do now?
Don't worry, we'll find a solution. Do you have travel insurance?
Travel insurance. I'm not sure. Maybe I do.
Okay, can I ask why you missed the flight?
The subway was very slow today. I got delayed.
I see. Well, we can try to book you on the next available flight.
Really? When is the next one?
There's another flight at 6 p.m. this evening.
6 p.m. So that's about 4 hours from now?
Yes, that's right. Will that be okay for you?
I don't have much choice. Yes, that's fine.
There might be a change fee. Are you okay with that?
A change fee? How much will it be?
Around $150, depending on your ticket.
$150? That's quite expensive.
I understand. I'm sorry, but it's airline policy.
Okay, I understand. Let's go ahead.
All right. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you go. Sorry for the trouble.
No problem at all. These things happen. Let's sort this out for you.